fellow travelers. Welcome to Globetrotter Goals. If you're ready to explore the world and make unforgettable memories, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a seasoned Globetrotter or planning your very first adventure, our channel is here to inspire and guide you. We'll share travel tips, destination guides, and everything you need to know to make the most of your trips. From hidden gems to popular hotspots, we'll cover it all. Want to know the best street food in Bangkok or how to navigate the streets of Paris like a local? We've got you covered. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our latest videos. We're all about building a community of travel enthusiasts, so share your travel stories in the comments below. We want to hear from you. Together, we'll explore cultures, try new cuisines, and create memories that last a lifetime. So grab your passport and let's get started on this incredible journey.